To write the first node project, we are going to create a new folder called first node. And then we go inside the folder. And then we type code dot. And this will open the Visual Studio Code. And now we can go to create a new file called app.js. And then we can open the terminal by using new terminal. And now you should see we already inside the folder first node. You can see these two names are the same. Now we can write something that we're familiar. So for example, we can console.log ckmobile. And then after we save it, we can type node app. We do not need to type .js because it already knows that it is .js. So now you can see the sentence, the ckmobile already pop up here. We can also write some function. For example, we set constant message is equal to name, and then we console.log the name. Now we can create a longer sentence like this name is good, and then we can run the functions by passing the name, and then we comment this. Now we run the application again. We type node app. Now you can see this time it pop up the ckmobile is good.